So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the background color of a video on InShot. So for example, if I were to play this InShot video right here, the video is cropped a certain way, but after that, there's sort of a black background that kind of borders either side that is currently black. If you want to change that color, it's very simple. Press on canvas, then make sure that background is selected. So it'll say ratio, just press on background. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select a color. So for instance, if I wanted to make it pink or purple, I can go ahead and do that. I can make it blue, whatever the case is. If it looks good, go ahead and press checks. And if you were to play the video right here, the background, as you can tell, is now a different color. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can change the background color of a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.